So, Ron, I want to get into the product itself.
Mhm.
For anybody that knows, editing is a very particular process for event photography, and it takes a lot of time. So, can you walk me through your artificial intelligence and machine learning process and how you put that together?
Sure. So, first of all, there is the first mile. This is also a challenge. We get the photos from the field to our cloud. I can talk also about that maybe later. But once we get that in the cloud, first of all, there are a lot of options. Other solutions that are desktop oriented, you need to bring the material to the desktop and run it and to give the update. Once you have it in the cloud, it's easier. We can use many services and we develop services. Now, the AI specifically now I will answer that. The AI is focusing on two main domains. The first one is what is called culling, which is basically differentiating between the good ones and the bad ones. And the second one is the editing. Let's start with the culling. That's a tedious job, going over 5,000 photos after a wedding and decide which one is good, which one is bad. This category, this specific category is also, there are subcategories. There are blurred pictures, closed eyes, off-scene photos. There are many categories. Now, what we need to do and what we are doing is using sophisticated algorithms in order to train a model what is a good picture. And even when you train a model what is a good picture, some people will say this is good, some people say well, this is bad. You need to find the point of interest in the picture and basically give it some kind of flexibility for the photographer to come and say, I want it to be strict, so I want only 10% of the pictures, or I want it to be more light and I'm okay with leave me 70% of the photos. And this is what we are doing. So we are training the models, our models, not only to decide what is good and what is bad, but also what will be the tolerance of the photographer. So this is one place. The second place is about editing. Now, obviously, editing is complex. Analyzing a photo and decide how to make it better it's not an easy problem, and many people are trying to solve it. And there are several solutions from Google Photo and etc. 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 So first of all, there is the matter of the batch, 5,000 photos to do all of them, and so you need to go one by one, and basically the software, and basically adapt and adjust the right preset, the right model for every photo, and that's also done by training. So what we do basically is to go over a lot of data set, and train our model to decide according to the conditions, the light, the venue, the type of the event, what is good and what is bad, and how to basically transform this picture from decent condition to a good condition. It's all about training, and this is why we invest a lot in dataset and having a lot of events. And the more we will have, the better we will be. One of the things that we are going to do over the next version is basically learn the user behavior and the settings that they are doing on the photos, and adjust, make it even more personalized, and according to their personal preferences, to do the next editing personalized for them.